great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, you're going to want to check this out. Overland Campers, the Black Series. These things are absolutely amazing. If you want to go overland, get out back, definitely check it out. Hit the like button down below. It means so much to us to grow this new How to Have Fun Outdoors camping channel. And we've got all of the campgrounds, RV reviews. We've even got a 550 bonus at the end of this video. We're going to show you this truck. Pretty awesome if you're thinking about pulling your big old camper. But right now, we're going to get with the Liche and talk about one cool series of overland trailers. Let's go take a look. All right, Liche, we've got Richard here. He's the head of marketing for this super cool company called BlackSeries. Looks like you guys do off-road campers. I mean, we really never seen anything quite as extravagant as these things.
Yes, over here at the Tampa Super Show, we're pretty much a rarity at the show with off-road camping. But yes, we're completely off-road and overland.
Now, how long's the company been around?
Roughly since 2017, for about 5 years now.
And what sizes do these come in? I see you got 4 or 5 out here today.
We have everything from 23 feet to all the way to 27 feet.
Wow. Okay. So the entry points dollar on the MSRP. I know every dealer is different, but from a list price.
So MSRP is going to be starting around 82,000 MSRP all the way to 100,000 MSRP.
Okay. Very good. And I mean, super sharp. The hardware, the fit and finish, very impressive. This was one of the big surprises here at the show. So what do you think is your big advantage over these other campers out here?
A lot of it has to do with our suspension system as well as our frame. It's fully rugged, as well as our outdoor kitchen is very popular with our customers.
Hey, thanks so much, Richard. And if somebody wants to get a hold of you guys, what's your website? How do they contact you for these super cool off-road campers?
You can follow us on Facebook at BlackSeries USA or US, and you can also find us at blackseries.net.
Hey, thanks so much, Richard.
Thank you. It was a pleasure meeting you.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
BlackSeries Camper Inc. is a family-owned and operated business with over 10 years of experience. These guys are known for their affordability, innovation, service. All BlackSeries trailers comply with DOT regulations, and with over 10 years of trailer manufacturing, these guys are pretty well-knowledged in the area of off-road campers. In fact, they've actually produced over 30,000 BlackSeries trailers roaming in Australia, and the whole goal here is to provide America the most valued and intelligently designed trailers for the off-road, and they're doing it, and you're going to get to see it. Here you've got the HQ19, HQ17. Those are some of the popular models. They're known for their suspension, premium interior, 5-year warranty. That's right, 5-year warranty on these things. They've got pop-up campers, travel trailers, as we've talked about, and you know, overall, just a great company, and we're going to show you some of their vehicles. You can see here they have a wide variety of tent campers. The Alpha's super popular, the Dominator's popular, the Patron. These are all great tent camper pop-ups, if you will. And then on the caravan side, you've got the Classic 12, HQ12, HQ15, the HQ17, which we're going to vote as our overall favorite. Liche just fell in love with it. HQ19, 21, and 22T. And overall, there's a lot of great things that you're going to love about this camper, and we'll take a closer look. Finally, as you can see, it's just a sharp-looking rig also. So from a company profile, they've got factories and warehouses in Australia, China, United States. They actually been in business over 14 years. 100,000 units have been sold to the United States, Australia, and Europe. And you know, these are definitely a rugged off-road trailer that you can't go wrong. One of the best in the industry for sure. And you can see all the milestones that they have made with their campers and pop-ups over the years. This is the HQ17, and it's designed for up to 5 people off-road travel trailer, the Black Series. This thing is definitely awesome. What do you think, Liche?
This is my dream.
This is your ultimate off-road. This kind of trumps everything out here for a small camper,
and you want to get backwoods, this is it. And the fit and finish is phenomenal.
Yeah, and look at this part. The galley, it really deserves a lot of credit. You have a very small galley, but you open it up and you have your fire and also your sink.
You got two nice burners.
And you also have like a nice water to fill up your
The fit and finish in here is outstanding. Not what you typically see in a camper. And the lighting is fantastic. Nice bathroom also. Really a lot of room in here. Got your pull-out shower sink. But this has got a lot of room. Real nice fit and finish. I'm saying 5 Discovery Bus all the way with this.
Absolutely. And there is space also for 4 people because you have also the parking beds in the back. So a lot of space and everything you need.
Look at the control system on that is pretty impressive.
For the money, the HQ17 is totally my favorite. Great price point, great layout, and better design.
Yeah, we're gonna go with the 5 Discovery Bus on this. This is 24 feet overall. And again, they've got all the different sizes out here, but we really liked that 17.
After that HQ17, we checked out the HQ19. Definitely a nice rig, no question about it. The exterior kitchen galley is just phenomenal. You know, if you're out camping, this is the way to go for sure. You just slide it out and you're ready to go. All stainless steel, super nice. But how about this HQ21? It's actually 27 feet long and it's around $100,000, so it's a little pricey. But the fit and finish, the quality, the amount of space, everything about it is super impressive. It is definitely one of the nicest off-road overland campers that we've seen. Huge windows in there. Look at the cupboards. The quality of the fit and finish was fantastic. This unit had 2 TVs, TV up front, TV in the back, big fridge, big freezer, microwave, you name it. You had a big bathroom, probably the biggest shower I've ever seen in an overland type camper. Just really nice. And look at the fit and finish and the look back here with the big bedroom TV, like I had mentioned, with the big windows and lots of cupboards and cabinets, lots of space. It was really impressive. Across the hall, toilet, porcelain on the bottom, nice sink, porcelain. But overall, real quality unit, nice galley area. And it was really a sweet unit.
This is solid.
Okay, that's BlackSeries. Now let's take a look at the Ember campers. They are awesome. You're going to love them. Our next overland type camper is from Ember. And Ember is a great company. These guys are located in Bristol, Indiana. And they've just done a remarkable job with their product. Great quality, good pricing, and really added a lot of the features that overlander type camping people love that are hitting the off-road, if you will, camping experience. One thing great about this company is that it is family owned. They've got a clear mission vision statement, got a great team, and Ashley and Chris have done an amazing job with this company. Believe it or not, they've got a super strong team and they build a great product. We were very impressed going through the different campers, and you can see here that they've got it together and they know what they're doing. We're going to focus in on the Overland series. These are the type of products we're looking at for the how to have fun outdoor experience. And as you can see, you've got this 170 MBH, 170 MRB, and also the 171 FB and the 190 MDB. These were some nice campers overall, and very impressed with the quality, the fit and finish. They've just done a really nice job. They also have their Micro series, which you'll get to see in our video. And these are little bitty campers, but they pack a big punch and everything you really need with your outdoor kitchen, your 12-volt coolers, your built-in, the whole thing is just really impressive overall. So they've even got that rear baggage door, which is pretty sharp on these units, and we'll show you that. But overall, great company, great products, and I think you're going to love this video. All right, let's check out the 2022 Ember. This is a great company also. We were really impressed with the Ember overland campers. They had a variety of sizes there. This was at the end of the show, so we didn't get as much time as we'd have liked to go through all of them. But you can see here the extra storage area. The fit and finish was outstanding. They have a relationship with Thule, as you can see. Some really cool options that you could get on these campers. This was the little guy, and the price was not too bad, $26,000. And this is the RV ROL, one of the small sizes. And but for a hunter, a camper, a fisherman, anybody that's out in the backwoods, it's got the AC, it's got the fold down into a bed setup. Really nice. Overall, really nice unit, and we were impressed. Alice actually liked these little units.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, small but very compact and well designed.
So with the larger units, you see you can get right up to that $46,995. This unit we thought was a great deal with the slide-out galley kitchen. There you've got the fridge, you've got the stovetop, which was nice. Big awning on here, storage area in the back, extra tire, the fit and finish, outstanding. This thing was really well designed. Loved the skylight in this. Very impressive TV, real nice galley area, big kitchen, refrigerator, along with the freezer. And as you can see, that would fold down. And then you had your two bunks back in the corner, but also you had a cool bathroom in this setup. So this was pretty sharp. The windows were outstanding. Look at the size of this shower and skylight. Very impressive on this unit. You can see that this is one of their top sellers for sure, but big bathroom for a camper this size. We were really impressed. So overall, we give a thumbs up to Ember. Also, we're going to give this a 5 Discovery Bus. We were impressed for the price point. I think it's a great deal, great value, and overall, we think Ember did an awesome job.
Okay, thanks for watching, and how about our bonus? We've got a 550 Ford.
Wow, I thought I knew my trucks, but I've never seen a 550 before. Is this real? Is this a 550?
This is real. This is a 2022 Ford F550. We're the only manufacturer of Ford F550 pickup truck in the world. We manufacture the beds in-house in Denver, Colorado, and Elevation Off-Grid.
Okay, what's your website? People want to buy one of these?
ElevationOffGrid.com, Instagram @ElevationOffGrid.